All week this week, we've dubbed it Feast Week, as each day we're bringing you some yummy treats for the holidays.
It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it.
We're here for it.
To kick it off, let's welcome in our friend, cookbook author Courtney Hill, back with some of her ideas. Good morning, Courtney.
Good morning.
Yes, happy
We always
holidays
love when
to
you come by.
Yes.
Thank you.
And so excited for this to talk about these brownies. Inside joke during the break, guys. So what did you bring in for us today?
I brought some fun and easy holiday party treats.
Okay.
So
okay.
anybody can do these. Let's see, you want to start with the brownie trees?
Yes, let's do
So
that.
we have some brownie that I turn into Christmas trees. So what I did is I baked them. I did 2 packages of brownies and I baked them in a big cookie sheet.
Okay.
And then I cut them into triangles.
Okay.
Like
They're
this.
not maybe as thick. They're
Right, because they're
purposely
a bigger piece
Yes.
than you would normally eat probably, so they're a little bit thinner. And then I put the sprinkles on before I baked.
a bigger
Okay.
piece than we'd normally eat.
Okay, maybe not.
According
maybe
to
not.
who? This looks
right.
pretty average for
So
me.
then, just with a little piping bag, you can pipe on like some garland,
Oh.
or I have these star sprinkles. Sorry.
That's okay. Am I doing it right? There
Yes,
we go.
you are.
There we go.
Piping bags can be tricky. And you know what? In the winter, that stuff gets cold and it's really
Yeah.
hard to get out of the
Carrie, those
piping
lights
bag.
look like the bulbs.
Decorate your own brownie. Tony.
And you know, so when you're making brownies, I like to mix the eggs in the oil first.
Yes.
Because then get those real nice and creamy. And then you put in your brownie mix. That way you don't overmix the batter.
Guys, look at my
Oh,
creation.
that's really good.
Should that be in a museum?
Such a mom.
That should be in a museum somewhere.
Well, you know, it's going to taste
It's
great.
about to be in my
Yes.
tummy.
Yeah, and then, you know, kids could do this too.
Okay, so what do you have here?
The second thing I'm going to show you is these viral candy cane bows. I don't know if you've seen these on
I have
Instagram.
not. I'm sure my algorithm is going to be filled with them now.
Yes, probably because we're talking about
Yeah.
it.
Phones are listening.
You just take 2 candy canes, and I'm using the mini ones because I put them on top of my cupcakes, but you can
Okay.
do the big ones too. But you just kind of cross them like that, and
Okay.
you put them in a 200-degree oven for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
They soften just a little bit, and then you can kind of push them down as like a bow
Oh,
shape. And
okay.
then I took one of the candy canes and I popped it in half, and that's what I used as like the bow part.
Gotcha.
Nice. They're so cool. Here's the
Yes.
finished one.
Yeah,
if we
those
want to
are
get a
pretty
shot of these,
cool.
Avery, you can see how cute they are. Look at that.
I just told my kiddo that we were going to do some baking next week, so maybe.
Look at
Okay.
that. That is so cool.
So, you
I
know,
love that.
just-
Now, what about Tony? What does Tony have over there?
Tony is doing individual cookie cakes.
Okay.
All right.
So what I did is the same thing as the brownies. I put it in a big pan, and then I got some oversized cookie cutters.
Okay.
And just
Again,
decorate to your heart's
oversized? That looks right sized to me, you guys.
Decorate to your heart's content. So I've got over here some gingerbread men and a
Love
little
it.
present. And then, you know, you can, it's a little bit fancier than
Okay,
just a
Carrie.
round.
I'm
Come on,
sorry.
Tony.
Carrie, I'm sorry. Yours is beautiful.
Tony, you guys, let's rewind. We're going to do the Bravo thing where they rewind it. Tony making fun of me.
Can I help you just
come
push it? Let me help you just push that down and then hold at the base.
There we go.
As they say in the church, Carrie. God don't like ugly.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Take 2. It's still not coming out.
You guys!
Oh, boy.
You're not
I
holding
think
it like
got-
she showed
I
you.
think it got cold. It's just my fault.
Look at Courtney can do it, Tony.
I just wanted Courtney to do it, that's all.
I definitely have piping muscles for sure. My hands
Look at that.
start to like.
I've never
shake out
had
so
any, upper body strength. It's always in
I'm
my.
so sorry.
Always in my
you
legs.
wanna
But
put
that's
your-
okay.
you
I'm
wanna
going to
put a
take
bow on
back
it?
her
Yes.
making fun of me now.
I am.
y'all.
I'm sorry, Carrie. Look at this.
That is beautiful. You guys, come on.
On that, it's time to eat.
Thank you so much, Courtney.
All right, you guys, visit Courtney's website, cookhomemade.net, for more on her cookbook and so much more. We got to eat. Tony, stop eating before you have to read the prompter.
I have to read it now. Okay, I'm ready. Okay.